Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and look at another problem, sum of an infinite geometric series. Um, Remember with the last lesson we were talking about a geometric series, the sum with the first term a subscript 1 and a common ratio r is given by the formula s is equal to a subscript 1 divided by 1 minus r, provided that the absolute value of r is less than 1. If the absolute value of r is greater than or equal to 1, then the series has no sum. So let's go ahead and look at our first problem today. And the first problem is they want us to write 0.242424 and so forth and so on as a fraction in lowest terms. So we have our formula sum is equal to a subscript 1 divided by 1 minus r, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to plug in, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write down here the value for A1, and the value for A1 is equal to, we're going to say it's equal to 24 times 0.01, okay? And we need to look at our ratio, and we know that our ratio is consecutive digits where the succeeding digit is divided by the preceding digit, and I'll give an example here. So r is equal to, we have 24 10,000s divided by 24 hundredths, and 24 10,000s divided by 24 hundredths. Well, when we simplify that, we can see that that actually has a ratio of 0.01. So we know that our r is equal to 0.01, and the last thing we really need to do is just go ahead and plug it into our formula, and we are going to find out what is this fraction in lowest terms, okay? And we are not going to turn it into a decimal. We're just going to go ahead and reduce the fraction. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug in. Here's my formula. S is equal to a subscript 1 divided by 1 minus r. And I know that a subscript 1, I'm going to write it as 24 times 0.01. And that's my 24 hundredths. That's my first term. And I'm going to divide it by 1 minus, well, the value of my ratio was 0.01. So I'm going to go ahead and write 0.01. And I am going to go ahead and simplify this equation now. And I have 24 hundredths. That's the product of 24 and 100. Divided by, well, 1 minus 100th is 99 hundredths. And I can get rid of those decimals by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 100. So I get 24 divided by 99, but it says a fraction in lowest terms. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce my fraction, and I will reduce my fraction by dividing 3 into the numerator, and 3 goes into 24 8 times, and 3 goes into 99 33 times. And there you have it. We have reduced the fraction to lowest terms, and the repeating decimal 0.242424 is 8/33 as a fraction. And there you have it.